Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Our question is India's Look East policy was started by the Prime Minister. Option number A Rajiv Gandhi, option number B PV Narasimha Rao, option number C Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and the last option number D Manmohan Singh. So just write your answer in the chat section. So our answer is option number B PV Narasimha Rao. Moving to the next question. Our question is which of the following article constitute the right to life in Indian Constitution? Option number A Article 16, option number B Article 21, option number C Article 26, and the last option number D Article 36. So just give your answer in the chat section. So our answer is option number B Article 21. Moving to the next question. Our question is the Constitution of India can be amended by option number A Article 256, option number B Article 324, option number C Article 352, option number D Article 368. So just give your answer in the chat section. So our answer is option number D Article 368. Moving to the next question. Our question is the 12 schedules of the India Constitution defines dash new task in the functional domain of urban local bodies municipalities. Option number A 12, option number B 14, option number C 16, option number D 18. So just give your answer in the chat section. So our answer is option number D 18. Moving to the next question. Our question is from which country has the directive principles of state policy been adopted? Option number A England, option number B USA, option number C Ireland, option number D Germany. So you have 5 seconds to give your answer. So our answer is option number C Ireland. Moving to the next question. Our question is which state is not included in the 6th schedule to the Constitution which contains provision concerning the administration of tribal areas? Option number A Assam, option number B Meghalaya, option number C Tripura, and the last option number D Nagaland. So just give your answer in the chat section. So our answer is option number D Nagaland. Moving to the next question. Our question is which of the following is an extra constitutional body? Option number A Planning Commission, option number B SC and ST Commission, option number C Finance Commission, and the last option number D Interstate Council. So just give your answer in the chat section. So our answer is option number A Planning Commission. Moving to the next question. Our question is the chairman of which committee is generally from the opposition party? Option number A Public Undertakings Committee, option number B Assurances Committee, option number C Estimates Committee, and the last option number D Public Accounts Committee. So just give your answer in the chat section. So our answer is option number D Public Accounts Committee. Moving to the next question. Our question is the directive principles of state policy are incorporated in which part of the Indian Constitution? Option number A part 1, option number B part 2nd, option number C part 3rd, and the last option number D part 4th. So just give your answer in the chat section. So our answer is option number D part 4. Moving to the next question. Our question is which one of the following is not included in the state list in the Constitution of India? Option number A Criminal Procedure Code, option number B Police, option number C Law and Order, option number D Prison. So just give your answer in the chat section. So our answer is option number A, Criminal Procedure Code.